gas players are still feeling the pinch of weak oil prices, and they include Petronas. A source at the company has confirmed a report by Wall Street Journal that the national oil company is looking to cut several hundred more jobs at its publicly listed operations. The units are Petronas Chemicals Group, Petronas Gas and Petronas Dagangan. Back in March, Petronas announced that it was cutting 1,000 jobs after saying it would slash spending by some $11.4 billion over the next 4 years. Based on its latest annual report, Petronas has 53,000 employees as of the end of 2015. Petronas has been hit by a prolonged slump in oil prices. Still, the oil giant said it is committed to paying 16 billion ringgit in dividend to the government this year. This is despite reporting a 96% plunge in net profit in August. EPF is buying a 40% stake in Kasturi, the concession holder of Duke Highway, for 1.13 billion ringgit. The pension fund has entered into a binding term sheet agreement with Kasturi's holding company, Nuzen Corp, which is a subsidiary of EcoVest. A detailed announcement will be made once the sale and purchase agreement is finalized. The 18 km Duke Highway is Klang Valley's main expressway network. It has been fully operational since 2009. Kasturi's toll concession for the highway runs until 2059. KWAP has reportedly committed to a $30 million investment in its first disruptive technology deal in a foreign firm, and Reuters says that firm is Uber. In an interview with the Newswire, CEO Kamarul Zaman said KWAP is investing in a global tech company with a market value of over $60 billion. He did not reveal the firm's name, but sources close to the deal told Reuters that KWAP had recently invested the amount in Uber. KWAP declined to comment on the report, saying it is unable to confirm any investment deals that are under discussion at the moment. Uber had raised $3.5 billion in June, valuing it at $62.5 billion. The ride-hailing giant has been operating in Malaysia since 2013. Glomax saw its first quarter net profit skyrocket by 306% after selling a piece of land to Perbadanan Prima, Malaysia. Bottom line stood at 85.5 million ringgit as compared to just 21 million ringgit last year. Revenue-wise, it doubled to about 251 million ringgit, up from 123 million a year ago. Going forward, CEO FD Iskandar expects the market to continue to be challenging. He hopes the upcoming budget 2017 will include incentives such as margin financing, lower contribution costs and lower compliance costs. Wish lists for the upcoming budget 2017 are rolling in. Unfortunately, the one thing a lot of us are hoping for is unlikely to materialize. A market research unit says the government is unlikely to lower corporate or individual tax rates. UOB Global Economics and Market Research explains that at this juncture, the government's hands are tied. In the first half of 2016, government revenue fell by some 10% to 96 billion ringgit due to lower individual and company income tax collection. GST collection also fell by 6.5% in the first quarter. As for interest and contributions from GLCs, that figure plunged 44% to 9.6 billion ringgit, mainly due to the drop in Petronas dividend. So chances are tax rates will be kept on hold in the coming budget.